Stone, what took you so long to answer?
I was providing first light absolution for my troops. I realize it should be done by a priest, but...
There is no time for that now. I lost contact with the Paladin facility I'm using as a base of operations. It can only mean they have been discovered by the Cray and are under attack.
Are we close enough to assist?
You have to be. There is a set of data crystals there that cannot fall into enemy hands. Defend the base if you can, but you must retrieve it and hunt down any Cray unit that might have come in contact with it.
Search and destroy?
Yes, and be careful. The area was mined, and any heavy armor units will trigger them.
I will go organize my light infantry then. I hope they are enough to handle whatever Craven forces are in the area.
They have to be enough, Jared. That data cannot be seen by anyone.
New drop zone. Landing vehicle entering atmosphere.
Stone, the data crystals should be in my quarters in the main base. You will have to retrieve them yourself with your command APC. I trust no one else to handle them. Beware, my friend. Our enemies are legion and are bound to be infesting the area.
Yes, Deacon.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order. We are
Hostile
on our way.
Pterodine eliminated.
Assuming line formation. Yes,
Squad
Deacon.
3 taking hostile fire. Squad
We're
3
moving,
regenerating.
Deacon. Move order received.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command understood.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating.
We are on our way. Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Craven vehicles have passed through the outer perimeters of the base. Only automated turrets guarded the area. It seems like the whole base has been deserted.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodine
We're moving,
eliminated.
Deacon.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
As you command. Boarding APC. Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order received.
Allied structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon.
Move command understood. Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Allied structure destroyed. Squad
Yes,
3
Deacon, we
taking
are
hostile
moving.
fire.
Move order received. Waypoint added. Waypoint added.
Allied structure destroyed. Allied structure destroyed. Allied structure destroyed. Allied structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Allied structure destroyed.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon.
Allied structure
Yes, Deacon,
destroyed.
we are moving. We are
Squad
on
3
our way.
regenerating. Squad 3 taking
shall
hostile
move at
fire.
move command
Squad 3
understood.
taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine
Order
eliminated.
received. We are on our way. Yes, Deacon.
Allied structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon. We will move. We shall move at once.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3
We're
taking friendly
moving,
fire.
Deacon.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire.
We are on our way.
Squad 2 taking hostile fire.
Order received.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Confirmed.
Squad 3 regenerating. Mission structure destroyed. The Paladin base's power generator has been destroyed. The defenses have been disabled. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 2 regenerating.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon.
Jared, my quarters have been destroyed, but the crystals were in a shielded container. They could have been tossed anywhere by the explosions. You must move through the base with your APC and find them.
Special weapon confirmed.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire.
Special weapon
Squad 3
confirmed.
regenerating. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Affirmative. Attacking.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
We are on
Squad
our
3
way.
regenerating. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order received.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Yes, Deacon. We're moving, Deacon. We're moving, Deacon.
Waypoint added.
Squad 2 regenerating.
Waypoint added.
Move order received. Move order received. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Magnus, I have them. The case is still sealed. Should I check to see if the data is safe?
No! You have no time, my friend. More Craven forces are converging on the battlefield. You must not allow them to retrieve that data. Pull back immediately to the pickup zone.
As you command, boarding APC. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command understood. Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking hostile
Order
fire.
received.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 3 taking
We are
friendly
on our
fire.
way.
Squad 3 regenerating.
We're moving, Deacon. Move
Squad
order
3
received.
taking friendly fire.
We are on our way.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
We're
Squad
moving,
3
Deacon.
taking friendly fire. Squad 3
Special
regenerating.
weapon confirmed.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile
We are on
Pterodyne
our
eliminated.
way. Engaging the unworthy. Move order received.
Command vehicle is in our line of fire.
We are
Squad
on our
3
way.
taking
We're
hostile
moving,
fire.
Deacon.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Special
Hostile
weapon
infantry
confirmed.
eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire.
Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon.
Hostile
we
infantry
are moving.
eliminated.
We are on our way. As you command. Boarding APC.
Command APC taking
Order
hostile
received.
fire.
As you command. Boarding APC.
Squad 1 regenerating.
Yes,
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Move command. Yes, Deacon. We will move. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Mission accomplished.
Never in my life have I needed the guidance of a priest officer as I do now. When I returned to our hidden base, I checked the condition of the data crystals, and what I found disturbs me greatly. I cannot read them. They are encrypted, but their origin and security rating are clearly displayed. They are from something called Project GARM, and even the Cardinal must receive divine permission to view them. Any member of the Order has no choice but to deliver them to a priest, or, if none is available, then destroy them immediately. This is excommunication class data, and Magnus had it in his possession for months. I have taken it upon myself to crack the first layer of security on the crystals, and found the date stamps. Magnus's ID has been accessing this data since a month before the Craven invasion. Even worse, the ID before that belongs to Bishop Delandre. There is enough evidence here to have Magnus taken to the Inquisitors for final purification. If I do not report this to the priests upon their return, I will be as guilty as my friends. This is the worst moment of my life. I have no one to tell me what is right. What am I to do?